Yo, what's up guys? Bachikubus here and welcome back. So, you guys are probably wanting a video. I actually kind of have a video editing. The only issue I'm having is like taking it from this like editor and like putting it on actual like YouTube. Right now I have it going to something to take it from there and do it, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So this is what I've been doing. No, that's not fixed. I wanted to have it fixed, but the problem is it's not 2018 anymore, so the car isn't inspected. So with that being said, pretty much we have to do the wire repair first. So as you guys know, this front end was squashed when I got it. So pretty much this side was pretty messed up. And yeah, so here's the harness. So there's the motor harness, and then there's the I guess you can call it the accessories harness, whatever. So pretty much these are your lights, all that jazz. I haven't been able to find any videos on how doing this stuff, so sadly I didn't film the process of doing it, but from what I gathered, so pretty much the first thing was to have the bumper come off, because without the bumper being off, you really can't get up here in the front and grab stuff. So how to remove front bumper, pretty easy. Just like the rear, you're gonna have 3 bolts here and on the fender. It's easy when you have the wheel off and then the fender well off. Once you have those 3 off, same on the right side, there's bolts on the bottom that hold the rain guard on there, and then also up here and here hold it on, but that's not it. So I would leave these 2 up here and remove your headlights. So to remove your headlights, it's kind of difficult. You have to bend the bumper tabs up and pull it out. What I also did was I unloosened the 2 front like fender bolts to give them more play, just to pop it out. It was a pretty pain in the ass, but got it out. And yeah, so then when you have that off, now you can get to everything. So I'm not sure if this is from the original crash, but some of this stuff up here is mangled. I don't know if it's because of what newly happened, I don't know, but it's whatever, I guess. Yeah, so once you have that off, now you can start disconnecting everything on this side, so like the headlights, that stuff. Also, you guys probably see here that I cut wires here. These should be speaker wires right here. This stuff right here should be for your speakers. I'm gonna fix them back up, but I cut them because there's this one wire that runs all the way back here. You can still see it right there, and it runs back up, and well, I can connect this back, but it runs up to there we go. So it runs to, let's see here, that connector right there runs to that connector, and then where else? The other one goes there, but biggest issue is kind of right there. Come on now. But kind of the only problem is the two wires run back there, but then one wire goes into like the firewall, and it's like not removable at all. So that's why I decided to cut these right here, but it's pretty simple. Just get butt connectors and connect it back up. But the real major problem is the major stuff is here. So like nothing too bad, but some of this stuff was beaten up running along through here, especially right there. So the plan is just to kind of like unravel some of this stuff and really check into it. And yeah, and then this side, it seems to be pretty straight. Oh shit. Well, that's a problem right there. That ground is pretty much junk. That right there isn't good. I think it was just from, yeah, this is the fan, so the fans still don't come on for some reason. So that was where we poked the power probe into it. But I don't know, man, it's weird. Is it really worth trying to fix all this? Who knows? Will it do anything? Who knows? Probably not, because these seem to be I don't know, I'm seeing some of the colors for the radio and stuff in there, so I don't really know. But that's all I really have for you guys. Oh well, I'll talk about the fuse box too, because without that you won't be able to do much. So pretty much if you're removing it, the whole harness runs into the firewall there, but you just want to remove that bolt there. There's another one that goes there. The real pain in the ass was that guy there, as you can see, but I ripped him out. Disconnect that guy, and then there's some zip ties that hold it there and right there that I got rid of. And yeah, this thing is pretty much ready. And then, you know, just a bunch of tabs and shit in the way. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. But there you go. Peace.